Oldham Ramblers footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last week. When? Tuesday, the 26th of September 2023. Where? Footpath, FP74 Oldham, off Counthill Road, Watersheddings, Oldham. What? Strimming, clearing, litter picking, installing a new signpost blade at the start of the footpath on Counthill Road, installing waymarker posts and waymarking. Also recce'd footpath 75, footpath 76 and footpath 77 Oldham around the playing fields. Who? 6 volunteers out this week: Ken, Paul, Mike, Bob, Neil and Kevin. On our way back we recce'd footpath 75 Oldham, and this will be cleared next week. And we will also recce footpath 76 and footpath 77 Oldham onto the estates. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching.
Keep walking.